Hello, you are welcome to today's session. This is the JIT Home Tuition page. I would like to encourage you to follow our page for more teaching lessons in mathematics. If you are struggling with maths, this is the right page for you to learn the various topics in mathematics from. So today we have this question on the board to solve. It's actually a past question. So it says that given that A equal to 4.0 times 10 exponent negative 2, right, B equal to 3.0 times 10 exponent neg 2, and C equal to 100. Evaluate without using table or calculator, and you have this. So leaving your answer in standard form. So this is a standard form question. You have, that is A exponents A square B square on C. So in place of the A, that is what you're going to put this one over there. So this one, that will be 4.0 times 10 exponent neg 2. Remember, all square plus. This one, the B is 3.0 times 10 exponent neg 2. That one to all square. All divided by the C, which is what, 100. Now, what it means is that this square will affect what you have here, and it will also affect this one. So when you have it like this, let's say you have 4ab all squared, the square will affect this one, giving you 4 squared. The square will also affect this one, giving you what, a squared. So this one, they are multiplying, meaning that this 4 square will become 4 times 4, which is 16. So in a nutshell, this one affecting this one will be 4 times 4, and that will give you what, 16. So you have 16. Then this one, assuming that this side is 2, the square here will affect this one, giving you a square like this. So that 2 multiply, giving you 4. But then this 2 and the negative 2 give you times negative 4. Alright, so the same preamble that was used over here, that's what we are going to use over here. So this one, the square here will affect the 3, that is 3 square, giving you what, 9. Alright, and this one, the square will multiply this one, give you 10 neg 4. Alright, all divided by 100. So let's not forget our units. Okay, let me clean this side. So here, because they are adding, usually you can add or subtract when they have the same, that is the exponent and the powers are the same. I'm talking about in terms of standard form. So you can add this one and that will give you 25, because you are adding. Then when you add this and that, usually what you do is that you write one of them. Okay, so let's say that you have 16 times 10 exponent neg 4 like this, and you have 9 times 10 exponent 4 like this. They are adding. What you do is that you write one of them, since they are the same. So you have 10 exponent neg 4, then you add this one, that will become 25. And so that is what you have over here. But assuming that they were to multiply, you know, this one they are adding, but assuming that they were to multiply, that would have been, let's say, 10 exponent 4 times 10 exponent 4. With this one, what you do is that you apply the laws of indices, which says that when they are multiplying and the base are the same, what do? We add the powers. This one, they are not multiplying. What it's saying here is that we should what? Add. So kindly pay close attention to that. So this side will be like 4. Alright, now this one, when you change it, it's 100. When you change it, that will become 1, 2. So that will be 1.0 times 10 exponent 2. So all divided by 1.0 times 10 exponent 2. Alright, I hope you are following. Kindly pardon me because of the size of the board. Alright, so at the end of the day, what do? We are going to move this one to this side. So this one, what you're going to do is that you're applying the second law of indices, which says that when they're dividing and the base are the same, you subtract the powers. So assuming that you have a exponent m divided by a exponent, and since they are dividing and the base are the same, that will become a exponent m minus n. Alright, so with this one, that will be 25 on 1 All right, and this side will be 10 exponent like 4 on 10 exponent 2. Okay, this any number over 1 is still the same number, so you have 25. Then here with this preamble, all right, what it means is that 10 exponent like 4, 10 exponent 2, when this one comes here, you know, it will subtract, giving you 10 exponent like 4 minus what? The 2. And that will give you 10 exponent what? Next 6. So here is 10 exponent next 6. Let's not forget the root sign. So here you can split it to make it, that is root 25 times root 10 exponent next 6. Now root 25 will give you what? 5. Alright, now this root sign that you are seeing here, the square root, is the same as exponent half, meaning that you can rewrite this one as 10 exponent next 6 times exponent half. This one will cancel 1. Here you have like 3, so you have 5 times 10 exponent like 3, and this will be